What is up, y'all? Today back with another video, and in today we're going to be fishing with a cast net and with live bait and try to catch another pike. So yeah, let's get right into it. Hope you enjoy. Hey, we already have bait. What if I catch a fish first cast, y'all? That would be sick. I'm just going to throw it out there. Creek is very up today. Let's get bitten first cast. And I'm already tangled. I did. Oh, I almost had one.
Catch a pike, should we put it in the tub?
It's probably gonna be too big. Maybe.
Have you ever caught anything like pike or something with the cast net?
We've caught a bass in the cast net.
Imagine we catch a pike first cast with that.
It's pretty cool. Ta-da! That's how you make it untangled. Now we go back down. Not a bad cast. Oh!
We got something. Oh, what in the world?
It's a nice big carp. It's the biggest carp we've ever caught here, bud. Look at that, Sammy.
Now this, I'm not Sammy.
I was talking on the thing to him.
Oh.
Look how big that thing is. Compared. Okay, let's look. Let's see. Compared to my hand, Sammy. Compared to my hand. Biggest carp I think we've caught here. It's a nice one. Not bad.
If it got tangled like that and we still caught this thing, like that cast with it tangled like that, I'd think that's crazy.
Ah, it keeps getting tangled. There you go. That was good. Look. Oh, crap. I think we had to get something this time. We got one bait fish.
Minnow.
We needed that minnow.
Try to eat this fish? Because you fell in there with it.
Just straight out there and wait for the big one to come get it. We got a fish. Remember I told you to reel it in? No, pick it up. Here, I got it. Put 2 fingers right there, then reel it. Feel heavy at all?
Not really. Now, yeah. I think.
It's gonna film. No. Straight out. It's okay. It's fine.
Yeah.
You just plop it out in the middle. Right there. Let it sink. I ain't.
Oh, snap. Or what? See? That's what's happening. Might have took the hot dog off.
Try to reel it in. Remember how I told you?
Yeah.
There you go, now reel it in.
Not fast.
Now reel it in fast.
Oh my. I did not know this rod was broke. But it
You can
feels
fix
good.
it. I know how to fix it. Oh, something took the bait. What? Let's go get some hot dogs.
Okay. I found.
I'm gonna get the tip tight.
You wanna know how my dad told me that you fish for catfish?
How?
You reel it in slowly, and then you cast it back out. I don't know if that's correct, but that's what he told me.
I don't know either. But normally we just try to set the hook just in case there's something trying to bite it. We'll stay on it and then we'll come back, and it might be a turtle that's trying to catch it. And now it's gonna be cool to reel in a turtle. Pretty heavy.
Did you get anything? That time you held the rope.
Kind of did, didn't I?
Anything?
Mm-mm.
I forgot to hold the rope.
That's good.
That was still pretty big cats. I don't really hate people, but I hate when they do stuff. I'm gonna do it.
Can I cast it?
Yeah, you can cast it. Just I reel it in. What in the world? Oh no. Please don't. Please say it won't fall in. No.
You just break the line. Please say we still have our hook. Gotta be joking me.
Maybe it was just a stick.
Maybe. Oh, we got one.
What is it?
2 carp.
2 carp?
Okay, these are definitely carp.
What?
Yeah, these are definitely carp. These look different than the carp we normally catch.
They do? Oh my shorts.
Here, can you get water in it?
I think it already has water.
Are we gonna get straight into the first? What you wanna do? Do you wanna? Let's get the casting out. Here, you can throw it. We caught crawdad.
Wait, we did?
Nice little crawdad. You're good. You get that off the line. Oh. Let it go.
Wait, that's a catfish? Yep. I want to put it in the bucket. Not to use as bait. Just I want to put it in the bucket.
It has stingers, it has stingers, it has stingers.
Too cute to use. Imagine you catch them again this very next cast.
Here, going to fish for catfish. Thanks for watching, y'all. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe on. Peace.